So guys, this is your apron off your TR Poreba. It made it here safely, as well as your American Pacemaker Lathe Tailstock. Everything made it here. Now it's time for the fun stuff. We're gonna get this off. I'm shooting this video just to make sure that, hey, we have it, and this is a process that we do for all customers, or what we're trying to, is to show you what's going on with this thing. Obviously we could see inside of here. I'll take the camera real fast. This thing is terribly rusty. And we're gonna go through all this. I'm gonna do another video tomorrow to show you exactly what we find, the extent of it, as well as the parts and availability. We do have a local shop that will take care of parts on this thing. And then in regards to the tailstock, we gotta figure out this lock mechanism. So it should run on a cam, which is this lower section right here. Usually you have two half nuts that kind of come in and squeeze the quill on the sides. This obviously doesn't have it, so we're gonna go to probably Belmont Machinery and get his thoughts on this thing, to be honest with you, and then we'll get you guys a quote on all the parts, and then we'll go through the gearing on this thing like we spoke at your facility, and yeah, we'll get it all going. So this one right here is a rush. We're gonna get this thing done as soon as possible, and this one we're gonna get quoted for all the parts and stuff. We wanna see what the quill is. We also wanna check the double V on our granite square and indicate the top. Actually, let me give you this. Thank you. We're gonna put something in here, probably 2 rolls on the bottom, so we could naturally see how this thing sits on the bedways. And then we're gonna indicate the top of this thing to see how, you know, if it's dipping down or up or whatever the case is, because I know you guys had a problem with Centerline with this thing. I mean, we could go left and right, that's not a problem, but the up and down motion, we'll probably have to shim in between here in that event. But I don't want to get ahead of myself. I want to prove it on the granite plate first, and then we'll let you guys know what's going on with this. But I already have a guy dedicated tomorrow morning. He'll be out here to tear this thing all down. I do have some dummy shafts that I put in there with a drill to see how everything works inside of here to test it. We'll probably do that first, and then we'll start tearing this thing down. So we'll do another video maybe tomorrow, so I can at least show you what's going on. And then we're gonna give you a parts list of everything that we need for this thing, and we'll move forward from there. So stay tuned, I appreciate it. And if you guys need anything, give me a call on my cell. Thanks.